Hello, and thank you for tuning into this video. My name is Jaleesa. I'm the Cash Flow Apprentice and the CEO of Equip 3000. Now, let's go ahead and jump into today's video, which is all about the wonderful game of Cash Flow 101 first. The first benefit I want to talk about is just understanding the wonderful world of what real estate investing can provide for you in your life. And through this game, a lot of people refer to it as the next step up from Monopoly. In the papers, they call Cash Flow 101 Monopoly on steroids. Others may call it Monopoly meeting the game of life and birthing the game of Cash Flow 101, right? Just to kind of give you an insight of what's happening in this game. Within the game, it's really great as far as integrating real world challenges like expenses that are coming about that actually slows you down as you're looking at investments, or preventing you from actually taking advantage of deals that may be on the table then and there, right? But ultimately within this goal, or within this game here, it allows you to understand what is the end goal as far as getting to the fast track. Okay, within the game, there's two phases. The first phase is trying to figure out how to get out of that rat race, right? Living paycheck to paycheck to paycheck. And then overall, in the game, you're trying to figure out how to now get to the fast track where you're living your dreams and you're no longer financially confined to the finances that you have available, because the world is yours at that point, right? The game does an excellent job as far as simulating this entire experience for you. If you haven't had a chance to play the game, or you're interested in checking out some of our cash flow events, check out my website at www.equip3000.com for more information on our next cash flow adventures.